Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here once again. And if you're clicking on this video for the first time, like you've not seen this face before, and it is your first time here on my channel, you are welcome. And my name is Blessed Chiamaka, and I'm the face behind this channel or behind this brand. Okay, so you're welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and to my viewers as well, because I realized that we have viewers and we have subscribers. We have the viewers whereby they don't subscribe, they just come back, or they always come back to watch videos. So those part of people, we call them the viewers. But no matter what, you're welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel after watching this video. Okay, so guys, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are cool. Okay, so from the title of this video, I guess you guys are wondering, okay, what does she want to talk about right now? Anyway, I'm here to spill some tea to you guys. Okay, so let's just start to this video. Okay, so the what I have here is how to build customer relationship. It's very important we know how to do these things, because one thing is for you to learn cake recipes and one thing is to learn how to decorate cakes, but then you don't know how to build customer relationship, because that's one of the things that can actually turn your customer off from buying from you. You need to understand what is customer relationship, and this means that, okay, let me ask you guys, what is customer relationship? Let me know your own thoughts about this in the comment section. Okay, customer relationship is is a communication between customers and that of the vendor. Okay, I've come to realize that when you don't have good customer relationship, or when you don't have good communication with your customers, there's this tendency that they will not want to buy in from you. And like I used to tell people, customers are more like, they're not loyal customers out there. We only have some that are loyal to you, and there's a way we can bring them close to us for them to keep buying from us. Do you understand? Because they are our customers, and without these people, there's no business. Customers are the one that makes your business to grow. Like I used to say, without my customers, there is no Macari's cakes. So we need to bring these people close to us. We need to keep them, because the truth is, you're not the only one selling cakes. Like I said before, there's no loyal customer. When the one customer is tired of you, they move to the next person, and there's nothing you can do about it. So now the first thing I want to share is how to build customer relationship is number one, communication. Communication is very important, not only with customer, but in our general daily lives. But I'm going to be fair to customers and vendors right now. Okay, so the first tip is what? Communication. Communication is very important with your customer. That's what the tip I have here. Consistently communication. Do it often, but do not make it sound as if you are, maybe you just want their money. No. There's a difference you trying to check up on your customer. There's a difference trying to make it make it too often, making it look like you want their money. When the customer sense that thing, they'll just know, this person just wants my money. Now, you trying to check your customer, you should do it in a strategic way. Do you understand? Do it in a strategic way. Now, let me give you guys for instance, during the pandemic 3 years ago, because the pandemic was during like 2020, right? So during that period, I wasn't selling anything to my customers, even though that period there was business, because people were doing their things home and people want lots of things. You know, at that period, I wasn't just selling to them only. I was doing more of what, checking up on them. And guys, first when I did those things, the kind of response I got from my customers, it made me feel like, wow, these people needed somebody to check them up. And it's even more interesting when it's their vendor that is checking them up. Now, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you sent your customers a happy new month message? When was the last time you checked up on your customer, aside putting up something on your status? Oh, that loyal customer that used to buy something from you like once or two times in a month, how many times have you checked up that customer? Now, this is a strategic way of what, getting them to have you in their mind. This is a way of them, making them to always want to buy from you. Like, because like I said before, guys, you're not the only one selling cakes and pastry. There are other vendors selling. So you need to keep them close to you. Communicate with them often. Chat up on them. Call them. Ask them how they are faring. If one customer has not bought for you, that's a loyal customer that has not bought for me for some time, call her. Don't just say, hello ma, I just want to check up on you. I just want to let you know that you are still in business. You are selling, my dear. You are checking up on that customer, and at the same time you are selling, and that's not the goal here. That client you have not heard from in a very long time, you pick up the call. I prefer to call than chatting. You pick up the call and say, "Hello, ma, how are you doing? Hope everything is well with you because it's been a long time I heard from you. Hope you're good, hope you're fine." And if she says, "Yes, I'm fine," you say, "Okay, that's good. I just wanted to know how you're doing because it's been long I heard from you." At that point, that customer will feel okay because she feel like, she's gonna feel so special that her vendor is calling up on her. Now, in your head, that's a strategic way of making your customer feel like, making them know that I'm still in business soon. But to the customer's head, she feels like, you are checking up on her. Because at that point, you did not sell. Now, you as a vendor, you're doing two things. You're trying to sell at the same time. You are trying to check up on a customer. But in the midst of all these things, you are doing 80% checking up of your clients. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. Communication is very important. That's a one-way straightforward for them to always have in mind and for them to keep on buying from you. I have clients that are like that. I have clients that are like that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's number one tip. Consistently communication is very important. Okay. Number two tip is, don't just be interested in their money. Don't just be interested in their money. Most of the time, when they put up their WhatsApp status, check their WhatsApp status, reply their WhatsApp status. They shouldn't feel like you are after their money. No. That's why we collect their numbers through Instagram, through DM. When they come to us through their DMs, we collect their number. We always refer them to WhatsApp so that we can have the number as an opportunity. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do not make your customer feel like you are interested in their money. That's a number one flag for that client towards the vendor. At that point, because the customer will not want to even buy from you. Do you understand what I'm saying? You need to know how to build a customer relationship. I'm a customer, you too are a customer. If I feel like you're after my money, trust me, I'm not going to buy from you. I'll just look for a way to just discharge you. I have one guy on my WhatsApp. The guy has been pestering me for me to come and, one WhatsApp ad with him. And when he was even pressurizing me, I had to, go through his WhatsApp status. I had to see, okay, there's some businesses he was, running WhatsApp ad for. You understand? So when I saw one business, I had to, go to the business owner Instagram page, ask her some question like, "Do you know this person? The guy is genuine?" She said, "Yes, the guy is genuine, but she has not really seen any sales from the WhatsApp ad, So I did my research, and I see that the guy was really disturbing me. At the point, I just had to, keep it one corner. So you don't make your customers or your yeah, you don't make your customers feel like you're desperate about their money. That's wrong. That's totally wrong. Don't be too desperate. Even if they inquire from you, you follow them up with style. You follow up them up with style. Make them feel like, so product will soon be sold. That are you still interested? That's why you're gonna put your English. Please note that do not be too interested in your customers' money because when they find out, that's blocking straight. I don't know if I'm making sense. Please let me know if you understand. Let me know in the comment section, okay? Now the third tip is reward your loyal customers and they would reward you back. Let me ask you for one question. How many of you do always reward your customers? Do you reward your customers? Do you give them gifts at the end of the year? Do you do that thing? Do you do such thing to your customer? Because if you have a loyal customers that buys like 5 to 6 times in a year and you don't give your contact customer a gift, ah, that means I'm sorry, but you're not a good vendor. Hey, like I don't get it. You have a loyal customer that buys from you 6 times in a year. I didn't even say, oh yeah, take this free cake. Why? Like, why? Please reward your customer. That's a very easy way for them to keep coming back to you. Make your customer, don't just make this year, you see this customer relationship thing there. Don't just make it customer. Let it be, let it talk from customer to friendship. With that, it's even easily for them to keep, connecting with you. It's easily for them to keep buying from you. Like I have a customer here in this Lagos, I was really seeing the customer as my customer and also more like, yeah, a friend kind of, but in that way, I'm always being professional about it. Do you understand? So, but I never knew that this customer has even taken me as a friend, because there was a chat I was, talking about. He was talking about, okay, we were both talking about an order, and he said, no, don't worry, now we are now, family friend. I'm like, wow, oh, is this how this customer, took me? At that point, I felt so special, and this that customer, I don't joke with that customer at all. I don't joke with that particular client at all, because he buys well for me. Even if I tell him this thing is 100,000 naira, he will pay. That my client doesn't like him requesting for account details. Just send him the account details and he'll be fine. So when he told me that, okay, don't worry, now we are now family friend. And at that point I felt so like, wow, so this man even took me as his family friend. Now, if a client can tell you such thing, it means that they have trusted you 100%. And when you are in that category, trust me, they don't get you for life. Like, you are their favorite vendor for life. So the question now is, how do you build your customer relationship with your clients? How do you build relationship with these people? Reward your customers at the end of the year. Get them gifts. I did that this last year, December 2022. And guys, when I give them this thing, even me, I was even thinking maybe it was too low, but the gift I gave today, they were so appreciated. The packaging alone said they were so appreciative of the gift. And that's the one way to sales. They will come back to you because you give them something. If they have three vendors they do buy from, and you as a vendor, you give them something out of the three vendors that they have, and only you give them something. Trust me, guys, you have won their hearts, and they'll keep on referring you back to their customers or to their friends. Sorry. They keep on referring you back. They keep on telling their friends about your brand. In fact, it's even your customer that will help you to sell your brand, not even you selling your brand again. So the thing is, build a relationship whereby that's your client will be the one selling your brand on your behalf. That's the thing, guys. Do you get me? So build that relationship that whereby they will be the one selling for you. Give them good products, good customer services, good relationships. They'll carry your market on your head for you. They will carry your market on your head. This particular video is for both cake business owner and non-cake business owners. Not only for cake business owners, no. If you're a business owner and you're watching right now, please apply this method to your own business. Whatever business you're doing, please apply this method, these tips to your own business. So please, if you're watching right now and you don't need to reward your customer, your loyal customer, you don't give them gifts at the end of the year, please try and do something, okay? Reward these people, because without these loyal customers, you don't have a brand. I'm sorry to say, but that is the truth, guys. Do you understand? Now, the last tip I have here is be transparent in your business. Be transparent. If you say that I cannot deliver this thing, please tell me that I cannot deliver this thing. Be sincere. Customers love vendors that are sincere. That's another tip you need to understand. Be sincere. Be transparent. Be trustworthy. Let them trust you. If you cannot deliver one big cake with 120, if maybe an order comes to you and they say, please, I want 500 meat pie. If you don't have the necessary things to deliver, then you leave the order. You tell them that no, I can't. It's better for you to say you cannot do this thing than for you to go and disappoint, because at that point you have, they have rubbed they have rubbish your brand on the floor. But transparency brings results. Transparency brings trust. Be transparent to your customers. Tell them this, I can't. Tell them yes, I can. Customer calls and said, maybe a customer calls you around 1 p.m. and says, please, I need a cake for 5 p.m. Can you deliver? And then you said yes, just because you feel like you've not worked for that week. And then you said yes. And then one thing went wrong. They started calling you up and down. At that point, you should know that 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. is just 4 3 or 4 hours difference. So you be transparent and tell them, no, man, no, sir, I cannot deliver this because um it's too urgent. Just be transparent when you're dealing with customers, because it goes a long way. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm making sense here, guys. So those are the 4 or 5 tips I have for you guys. Okay, the first one is consistently communication. Number two is do not be interested in their money. Number three is reward your loyal customers. And number four, be transparent. Transparency in business is very important. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got the value from this video. I hope you understood everything I've said here in this video. So one thing is to watch, and another thing again is to implement. Don't just watch and then you go back. Rather, put these tips into your notebook and practicalize it. Apply it to your business, because since it's working for me, that means it can work for you as well. Do you understand? So what do you think about this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, did you enjoy this video? Let me know as well. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel after watching. Give this video a massive thumbs up, share this video if you can, and drop a nice comment, because I will definitely read it and respond to you guys. Okay, so thank you so much once again for watching. I really enjoyed filming this content for you guys. So until next time, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay fabulous, and do have an amazing Tuesday. Or sorry, today is Tuesday, guys. I do not know when this video will be up, but I'll try and make sure that it's been up tomorrow, be Wednesday. Okay, so I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video, and bye guys.